I understand you're in charge of a group called document indexers. What do they do?
The indexers that are actually employed by Corporate Computer, they actually review the documents before they're even placed into the system. The indexer will actually look at the document. They'll make sure that, for example, if they're submitting the board minutes, that it's not their financial statements. They'll also make sure that it's not a duplicate in the system, and they have various other checks that they can do. They can also verify if there's signatures on approved minutes. So there's a list of verifications that they need to do with each document before it's placed into the system. And if there is a problem with the document, they'll actually return it back to the submitter via email, and it will explain why it's being returned to them and what the next steps are. Our indexers will even call the school if they do have questions about a document. And then once it's placed into the system, the actual oversight office will then review the document for accuracy and completeness. So that's a nice service that we provide to all of our clients to make sure that the information put into the system has the right information, and then once it's in there, the oversight office can review it.
What other responsibilities do you have?
Well, right now I do oversee the indexers, and I also provide support during the entire process of setting up AOIS to working with clients every day. I also provide the accounting and finance services at Corporate Computer, as well as HR services. So it's very exciting to work at Corporate Computer because it's something every day, and I enjoy working with our clients as well.
What are the availability goals and actual uptime numbers for AOIS?
Within our contracts, we do state that we will provide at least 95% availability with AOIS. But over the past 3 years, we've actually reached 99% availability with AOIS.
What kind of support does Corporate Computer offer AOIS clients?
The services that we provide to all of our clients include first the initial setup of getting you started with using AOIS. We will work with you to make sure you define all the due dates for each of your documents. We have access right now, we're working in over 11 states right now, so we can provide you with what maybe some of our other clients are doing with getting documents. And once the system is set up, we will actually train all of your users on site to make sure that everybody knows how to use the system. Then once they're actually using the system, if they do have any questions about using AOIS, they can call us directly. We also provide technical services. If the user needs their passwords reset, we can assist them with that, or getting their printers installed. And really, we become your consultant during the whole process and help you establish those best practices. And of course, our indexing services as well.
How long does it take to set up AOIS?
Usually on average, it takes about 6 to 8 weeks to set up. It really depends on how large the organization is. It also depends on, too, if the organization has established their list of documents that they want to control and their list of due dates. So it really depends on how much the organization has already done up front.